Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
When can babies eat broccoli? The right time to add broccoli to your baby's diet is at the age of 10 months old or more. Nutritional facts of broccoli. Vitamin A, 31 micrograms. Vitamin C, 89.2 milligrams. Vitamin E, 0.78 milligrams. Niacin, 0.64 milligrams. Folate, 63 micrograms. Iron, 0.73 milligrams. Sodium, 33 milligrams. Calcium, 47 milligrams. Magnesium, 21 milligrams. Phosphorus, 66 milligrams. Potassium, 316 milligrams. Benefits of broccoli for babies. 1. Improves immunity. Vitamin C present in broccoli strengthens the immune system. 2. Develops eyesight. Vitamin A in broccoli acts directly on making the baby's eyesight better and sharper. 3. Reduces anemia. Iron present in broccoli helps boost hemoglobin development in the body. 4. Treats gastric ulcers. Soup made from broccoli can relieve your baby from gastric ulcers. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants present in broccoli help detox the body and take care of any metabolic free radicals, protecting the body cells and tissues. 6. Reduces constipation. Fiber present in broccoli works as a laxative and helps relieve constipation. How to choose and store broccoli for infants. Opt for the ones that have dark green or sage shades of color with a slightly purplish green tinge. If there are any tiny yellow flowers or gray-colored portions, discard that broccoli. Precautions to take when giving broccoli to babies. 1. While buying broccoli, choose the one that is heavy and firm to touch. 2. Check the stalks inside the broccoli for the presence of moisture. If moisture has accumulated inside it, the chances of infections are higher. 3. Always wash the broccoli thoroughly after cutting it to remove any impurities and dirt. 4. Never give raw broccoli to your child since it may have bacteria or other impurities present even after washing. How to cook broccoli for babies. Make sure the broccoli is cut into tiny pieces and boil it properly with the soup. Remember to strain all the broccoli before serving the soup to your baby. A balanced diet with the right vegetables is the best culinary choice for your baby.